In the third week of Cha-Cha, we talked about the crossbody lead and we talked about several variants on it. So, the crossbody lead for my leaders, you're going to start with your forward rock, you're going to get out of the way, let her come past, and then get back in to finish the step. So we're going to do our rock, 2, 3. Here we're rotating to get out of the way. We do our cha-cha sideways, 4 and 1, and then we do a back rock, turn as we come forward, and finish 4 and 1. So with timing for my leaders, it's 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. For my followers, you're going to get to go in a straight line and then turn. So you'll get the back rock, 2, 3. You're going to do a forward lock here, 4 and 1. Then you're going to 2, 3, 4 and 1. You will not get to be quite that precise with the turn, getting 2, 3 and then turning when you actually have a leader, because he'll start turning you a little bit earlier and that's fine. So your timing for my followers is going to be 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. We talked about 3 different variations on this. I'm going to review them briefly, the first 2 briefly, and the third in a little bit more detail. First one was going into 5th position breaks. So for my leaders, as we come out of the crossbody lead, we just drop this hand and take a step back into a 5th position break. For my followers, you'll have, as you're coming out of it, you're going to get the lead to continue moving back into the 5th position break. Second variation was the crossover break. And so this is just changing the direction. For my leaders, as we come through, we're going to drop this hand down and come across into a crossover break. For my followers, we're going to get the signal here to drop this right hand, and we're going to continue into a crossover break. The third variant was an inside turn into that crossover break. For my leaders, your footwork does not change, but you're going to lead an inside turn by taking your left hand, follows the right hand, across her face as you do the cha-chas. So this will be 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. It's important to move at the same rate your follow is. If you move faster, you're going to pull her off balance. If you move slower, you'll pull her off balance. So move at the same rate she is, and that will allow her to turn very smoothly into the crossover break. For my follows, what we have is a 3-step turn. So if we do crossbody lead, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. Here we're going to take 3 steps and turn 360 degrees. 4 and 1. And then continue into the crossover break. So one more time for my follows. So we have 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2. Directly into the crossover break.